This technique is grounded in the belief that embodying the feeling of your wish fulfilled and engaging in mental acts that imply its accomplishment can bring it into reality. With that groundwork laid, we're all set to delve deeper. We're looking at an 8-step journey ahead, so I urge you to lend me your fullest attention. The success of this technique hinges on your commitment and the intensity of your imaginative engagement. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define your desire clearly. I want you to clearly define your desire. What do you really want? You've been thinking of many things, but let me tell you the truth. There is an underlying desire for all of these. In the next few seconds, think deeply about what you truly want. This is the first step in this technique. It should be an outcome you can easily communicate or would like to hear being communicated to you. It's essential to be as specific as possible, because clarity is the seed from which your desire will grow. Imagine articulating this desire in a single sentence. This precision will be your guiding star as we navigate through this transformative process. Now, let's move to the second step. Step 2. Choose your conversational partner. For this next phase, I want you to bring to mind someone who would be genuinely happy for your success. This could be a friend, family member, mentor, or even a version of your higher self. The key here is authenticity. Choose a person whose happiness for your achievement would be heartfelt and unfeigned. Picture their face, their voice, and the love or respect they'd hold for you. This individual will play a crucial role in your visualization, acting as a mirror to reflect the joy and fulfillment your accomplishment brings. As we progress, imagine sharing your success with them in a conversation filled with genuine excitement and mutual celebration. This connection is not just about validating your success, but anchoring your desire in the energy of shared joy and real relationships. Keep it brief, a few seconds to a minute of imaginary conversation. Now, let's move on to Step 3. Step 3. Enter a relaxed state. As we edge closer to the heart of our visualization technique, it's crucial to ensure you're in the right setting and state of mind to proceed. If your current environment or mental state feels chaotic or just not quite right, I encourage you to pause this video. Return to it when you're in a space where you can fully engage with the process. However, if you're ready now, let's prepare. Find a comfortable spot where you can either lie down or sit comfortably. This should be a place where you feel secure, supported, and free from interruptions. Once you've found your spot, I invite you to close your eyes. Take this moment to let go of any external worries, plans, or distractions that are occupying your mind. Breathe deeply and evenly, allowing each breath to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. With your eyes closed, start to visualize your body relaxing, one part at a time, beginning with your toes and gradually moving up to the crown of your head. Imagine the tension melting away with each breath you take. Allow this sensation of relaxation to wash over you, feeling lighter and more at ease with every moment. This step is not just about physical comfort, but mental clarity as well. By entering a relaxed state, you're not only preparing your body, but also clearing your mind to be more receptive to the visualization process. Think of this as setting the stage for your desires to unfold, creating a serene backdrop against which your dreams can vividly come to life. Step 4. Visualize and embody the feeling. With the foundation of relaxation set, we advance to the crux of our journey, visualization coupled with emotional embodiment. In this critical step, I urge you to vividly conjure up the scene you've meticulously crafted in your mind. Picture yourself in that moment, phone in hand, bringing the device to your ear. Hear the distinct tone of the voice on the other end. Notice its pitch, its warmth, its familiarity. Envision the words they speak. What are they saying? These aren't merely utterances, they are potent affirmations that resonate with the truth of your achievement and success. Consider the specific phrases they might use, each one a testament to your journey and the culmination of your efforts. They could be saying, "Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone," expressing their admiration for the path you've traveled. Or perhaps, "The dedication you've shown has been truly inspiring," recognizing the persistence and resilience you've demonstrated. Imagine them detailing the impact of your achievement. What you've accomplished is going to change things in a big way, acknowledging the broader significance of your success. Or they might express personal gratitude. Thank you for showing me what's possible, highlighting how your journey has inspired those around you. Visualize them reflecting on the journey itself. Remember when you first started this path. Look how far you've come, they might say, reminding you of your growth and the obstacles you've overcome. Their words could also hint at the future. This is just the beginning. There's so much more ahead for you, infusing a sense of anticipation and promise for what's yet to come. Envision the emotion in their voice as they share in your joy, the warmth and genuine happiness for your success resonating through every word. This isn't merely a conversation. It's a verbal manifestation of your desires coming to life, a sonic representation of your dreams being acknowledged by the universe. Let the essence of their words infuse you with confidence and a profound sense of accomplishment. Feel the impact of their message as it aligns with your innermost desires, affirming that what you sought to bring into your life has indeed come to pass. The joy, the relief, the gratitude you experience in this moment are not just figments of your imagination. They are the emotional realities of your future success, made tangible in the present through the power of your visualization. As these words wash over you, allow yourself to respond naturally within your visualization. Perhaps you express gratitude, share your excitement, or even articulate what this achievement means to you. This exchange isn't one-sided. It's a dynamic interaction that celebrates your success as a shared joy, reinforcing the reality of your achievement in the fabric of your imagination. But merely visualizing this scene isn't enough. The true magic of this technique lies in your ability to fully embody the feelings associated with your wish as if it has already manifested. Whether it's the boundless joy of achieving a long-sought goal, the profound relief of a problem resolved, or the heartfelt gratitude for an unexpected blessing. These emotions are your bridge from desire to reality. Allow these feelings to saturate your being, permeating every cell, every thought, every breath. This isn't just an act of imagination. It's an invitation for your desired reality to merge with your current state. Let the emotional intensity of this visualization swell within you. As you engage in this mental and emotional exercise, you're not just pretending. You are aligning your vibration with that of your fulfilled desire. You're signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive. Remember, the power of visualization is magnified by the depth of feeling you associate with it. By embodying the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're activating a potent force of attraction. You're crafting a beacon for your desires, drawing them toward you with every heartbeat that resonates with that joy, relief, or gratitude. This is where transformation begins. Let this step be a profound, soul-stirring experience that marks the turning point in your journey toward manifestation. We move on to step 5, but at this point, you can closely open your eyes. The next steps we're about to explore are crucial for turning your visualization into reality, so please pay close attention. As we tackle them one after the other, remember that each step builds upon the last. So let's proceed. Step 5. Persistence and belief. I urge you to embrace persistence as your ally. Revisit your visualization diligently, ideally before slipping into sleep. This practice allows your desire to seep deep into your subconscious, strengthening its presence in your mental landscape. I want you to foster a belief so strong that doubt and skepticism find no foothold. Remember, each visualization is a reaffirmation of your commitment to your desired reality. Let your persistence be the flame that keeps your belief alive, constantly reminding yourself that what you seek is not only possible, but is gradually becoming your reality. Step 6. Let go. After you've visualized your desire and charged it with all the emotional intensity you can muster, it's time to release it. I encourage you to trust in the unseen processes of your subconscious and the universe to weave your desire into the fabric of your life. This act of letting go is crucial. Hold on too tightly, and you might end up signaling doubt to the universe, I want you to cultivate a peaceful certainty, knowing that what you've asked for is on its way, even if it hasn't manifested yet. Letting go is an act of faith, an acknowledgement that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Step 7. Act as if. Now, I invite you to step into the reality of your desire manifested. This doesn't mean losing touch with your current reality, but aligning your actions and mindset with the reality you wish to create. I want you to live, think, and act as if your desire has already come to pass. This alignment reinforces your belief and attracts the people, opportunities, and circumstances necessary to turn your visualization into reality. It's a powerful affirmation to the universe that you're ready and open to receive your manifestation. Step 8. Gratitude and acknowledgement. I encourage you to cultivate a practice of gratitude. Express sincere thanks for what you already have and for the blessings that are on their way. Gratitude is a powerful vibrational aligner, connecting you more deeply with the essence of your desires. By acknowledging the good in your life and anticipating the fulfillment of your desires with a grateful heart, you're setting the stage for abundance. This practice not only elevates your vibration, but also affirms your belief in the universe's generosity. Step 9. Analyzing feedback. Lastly, I want you to stay attuned to the feedback your environment provides. Observing the responses, signs, and nudges from the universe is essential. Sometimes, manifestations unfold in unexpected ways. I encourage you to remain open and flexible, adjusting your actions and beliefs as necessary. This attentiveness allows you to navigate the manifestation process more effectively, ensuring that your desires align with the highest good for yourself and all involved. Thank you, and stay blessed.